In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix apps missing on Android. If you find the video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, missing apps on Android aren't usually lost or deleted. They're typically just hidden by a launcher setting, tucked into a folder, or moved into the app drawer. So if the icon's missing from your home screen and you can't find it anywhere, it's likely just sitting in your app drawer. So swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the drawer and use the search bar at the top or bottom, depending on what you have it configured to just type in the app name. And then once found, let's say I wanted to do something like Google Play Store, long press on it and then just drag it upward. And then the home screen is going to appear and then you can move it literally wherever you want. And then what you could also do is open up the app drawer again, tap the three little dots on the bottom right, and then go over to settings and then look for the hide apps feature where it says hide apps on home and app screen. Go ahead and click on that and then just go ahead and check the list. If there's anything that's currently checked, just uncheck it and then you'll be in a better state as well. And what you want to also go ahead and do is just check any folders, because sometimes you might have accidentally put an app in a folder that you have. So check that, because you might have accidentally done that as well. So it might just be hidden in there. Now, what you could also go ahead and do is swipe at the very bottom and you'll see a locked section. Your app might be inside this sandboxed area as well. So what we're going to go ahead and do is press these three little dots, go over to settings, and just look for your hidden area, and then you should maybe go ahead and find it there as well. If I long press in an empty area, it's going to show all my pages. So I can go to settings this way as well. And then, I'll be able to find anything hidden as well. And it's as simple as that. Now, the final thing you can go ahead and do is check your disabled apps. So go to your settings and then go to apps, which is going to be towards the bottom. And then once you're here, all you want to do is go to see all apps and then find the app you're looking for. Let's say it's Galaxy Store for me. Then if it's disabled at the bottom, you just want to go ahead and enable it again, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.